been chilling, all eyes on him. They've been scheming, all eyes on me. Brave feeling, Tony Glass, more spins. Paul us no game. Togetherness, 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 Paul us no game.
Earthquake when I move, I spark a new wave. Sophomore dropping in June, bye bye it's doomsday. Tripping off everything I do for summer shoelace. Kinda got the wins of the movie on Blu-ray. Injay style and I young king to we bounce while alone clean up with Kala, but Joe video I'm puffing the cold heap. Get them long shit and covered in time, but you know lingos. Baby Jake on the mic, slow tell I would yeggle out with ganja pizza wenzela spenzela massive razor standard up with the benzela hanging out si finessa la when you slow on and when I kill
G on G on on G This game is changing. Reese out new faces, new flows, new phrases. Oh my God, I feel amazing. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. When I look at the squad, and the squad, and the squad, and the squad, this game is changing. Reese have new faces, new flows, new phrases. Oh my God, I feel amazing. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God.
This game is changed, man. This one is for the non-believers. Look, I came in the game with a couple of rhymes. Hit some honeys with a couple of lies. Then I bounce back, speeding and killing these verses. I swear I ain't telling no lie. We out here to raise the bar. Scoot, then we gas some more. Test every talkie gym. Shout out my venda, we finally gon' get it. I headed through the grapevine. These rappers don't even write their own material. Look, who run in the cities to play, man? Not know you right, but the scamming I look. We sending shots to the head. Body bags just in case. My money on money, that's what it's about. I got you choking like you, Papa Dog. They know that we winning the man. See, feel that's what you crying about. I told them I mean it to win it. If they don't believe me, in the booth I'm making a killing. But they sleeping on me, no biggie. Ride, get smoke, bro. High grade, no cocoa. In the streets, get your dodo. No snitch, no popo. We been driving the low. In my zone, going loco. We been driving the low. In my zone, going loco.
This game is changing. Reese have new faces, new flows, new phrases. Oh my God, I feel amazing. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. When I look at the squad, and the squad, and the squad, and the squad, this game is changing. Reese have new faces, new flows, new phrases. Oh my God, I feel amazing. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. I see shit, dang, I see shit. See double like I'm peaceful. Want no trouble, only peace, yeah. Smoked up on the feast, yeah. Spend the weekends at the car house. Only reasons that I crop out. Make got the dogs now. Like they're trying to hold it down. The come up is real. I'm killing this cause I like the grip. Diagnosed with sick bars when I'm riding this hill. Miles been racing, I'm behind the wheel. On my ground, we'll go for the kill. Near in the shit, then no fight at me. Near in the shit, then no fight at me. Finna get paid up to every some up on that we're going big. And the haters, man, they seen this. Look them dead, they ain't saying shit. Take a grave, that's a burying. All this with rappers up in this game. All this gimmicks and all these lames. They should be sticking up in the legs. Oh my God, I feel amazing. Pose like I'm Superman. And your girl be feeling on me, cause she knows that I'm Superman. And she wanna see it. Call up an Uberman. Comes to my crib, I hit it, man, that's Superman. This game is changing. Reese out new faces, new flows, new phrases. Oh my God, I feel amazing. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. When I look at the squad, and the squad, and the squad, and the squad, this game is changing. Reese out new faces, new flows, new phrases. Oh my God, I feel amazing. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God.
Yeah, man. You remember this guy, OMG. Flomatic, Otangana Cash Flow, Wakila Group, OMG. On my grind. Damn it. What a nice song. What a nice song. What a nice song. So, I'm coming through another guy and with super beats because una single ya whenever it's a brand new single. Yeah, drop our kalamroba. So what I'm about to do right now I'm just gonna give you a track nyana, and then ratwara mwana humswana asika unera bona zora le rozwitisa hani ori farela lefio ukongori budza zwipio bana re khamba re ngorala ndi kombo re khodo budza zwipio ndi khamba ro sedzana na mafhungo aya noni ane a bori ndwa muzika washu wala hayani. So it's still this some hip hop music bakubona. So basingoro mangala asimuthu washu wala yani kandi khori wala yani ndikora mbori ndwa yani vakala venda ati khamba yezo ndikoto ambori ndimrepa ndimthina rino kitaka hip hop. So faraninyana apa ndonifanyana hot smoke ana Terry var friend zone ndiswengela zwa msimajita kuposwa kwa kwani abe wange side ni arotudzi wa chikwatu dzeni muzimu basibe bapfiwa. So let me give you the track friend zone, and then I'm gonna come back with super beats to itambara ngaso repete we tambanyana.
Turn it down, I love it, but you're talking about a friend zone. Oh God. Friend zone. She talking about a friend zone. Talking about a friend zone. She talking about a friend zone. Think about the love, then you think about the future though. She told me that she love me, but she called me in a friend zone. I told her that I love her, now she acted like no. Think about the future, then you think about YOLO. Knockout, baby, a ding dong. I wanna marry you, but I ain't gonna freaking ring though. Think about the things that I could do for you, so think about the things that I could do for you. She said she wants someone doing better. Pass it to my Terry, I'm a Shona. This is the legacy, no a corner. She got the booty, she roll now. She wants me on the fence, and when I tell her that I'm on, she be talking about the exes. I don't care about the exes. All I wanted was a dip. Now she talking about the witches. May not think about her, then forget about these chicks. She got me thinking about heaven. Oh Lord, she an angel. She got the beauty, she trending. Oh Lord, she an angel. She got me thinking about heaven.
Friend zone, friend zone, friend zone. Yeah, that is the track by Terry. Terry na hot smoke. I wonder what's happening right now because they were coming so perfectly. Marasunda promises on that I'm coming back with Super Beats. Super Beats has a brand new song, Ngise duze. Yeah, that's the name of the song. So before we play the song, as I promised on the Super Beats, we just gonna talk to Super Beats, and then we can get to know actually who is Super Beats. What is he all about? Is he an artist? Is he a DJ? You know, all those kind of things. So we can be clear with the whole thing. Like I said, I have Super Beats on the line. Super Beats.
Yeah.
How you doing, man?
I've been good, man. How's you?
No, I'm super great, man. I'm super great.
You see? It's been a minute since the first time, eh?
Yeah, man. Like, these guys have joined the other ones. He has retired now.
Hey, this corona thing.
Yeah, the corona thing is coming too much.
Hey, it's coming too much, man. But yeah, it's always been a blessing to have you, you know, to be with you.
And we can chat. So, I've heard that you have a brand new song right now. Ngise duze, yeah. So, before we get into the track, I think my people and who doesn't know you would really like to know you, to get to know you. So I can say firstly, can you just introduce yourself just a little bit so people can get to know you?
Okay. Super Beats, born Supermandla Makana. He's an artist and a music producer from PE, but now I'm based in the East Rand, you know. Okay. That's what's up.
So what type of music do you really do? Like the music that you specialize on? White or house, my piano, you know, which one?
Nah, it's definitely hip hop, you know.
Okay, so you stuck with us on the hip hop. Okay.
Yeah.
So since you dropped your last project, what have you been up to? Like, what have you been doing?
Yeah, actually, you know, hey, with this lockdown thing, I've been in the studio, man, working, you know, on new music for both myself and other upcoming artists. production also,
Yeah.
It's a great thing. It's a great thing because I honestly believe like practice on my craft in order like to make considerable improvements, and through the process we keep growing, and everything.
Yeah, that's true.
You
Okay,
know, work it's work and persistence is the key.
it's the key. So tell me here, as you're busy like right now, we see most artists, upcoming artists, and not just upcoming, also just the artists that have already made it. They seem to be struggling when it comes to their music now due to the lockdown. So tell me,
Hey.
how has it affected you, like when it comes to your creativity, like the way you do
You,
music and everything? How has it been affecting you?
yeah, the lockdown, it has had actually an effect, on all of us, I believe, because it came unexpectedly. Anything that comes, unexpectedly, is definitely gonna affect us.
Yeah.
It has, we had to, review it. Some of our plans had to be reviewed, and be adjusted, and some had to be scrapped, like performances, were cut off, But at the very same time, it was a blessing in disguise, because it gave us time, to adjust, and strategize, now, and plan more. And now, everything is coming together nicely, we're making good progress actually.
Okay, no, I really do understand. So, on the music industry also, ne? They seem to there seem to be this new trend of live streaming and everything. People seem to be joining us also. So, are you doing that, or you only focused on working, giving people new music, or trying to come up with new tracks?
Yeah, we actually try to come up with new plans. As I'm saying, we had to like strategize and everything, So we're also doing that. We also, we strategizing with the team on how to get, the music, to make sure the music reach the audience right,
Okay. So with the current music or current track, can you say, have you improved, or are you still using the same style like your previous offering? Like on your new music, like the new track that you said duze. What is so different from the previous music you've done and the new one, like the new music right now? Like
okay. Now, actually, on the first one, it was just an introduction of a super beat, to the audience. And on this one, it's a bit of a continuation, and the growth, from the first one, I started with paper trials,
Yeah.
and now I've been drafted, which, is me putting myself on the map. Hence, the title Yale EP is gonna be it draft, and my first single is like Ngise duze, that means I'm closer actually,
You're coming through. They should watch out.
Yeah.
So I know you're a producer, you're a writer, you're an artist. So in this track, this offering, did you work with some other artists, or you went alone? You did it on your own? Because I know when artists, producer, like you could do everything. People just like, nah, man, I'm good. I can't work with anyone.
Yeah, I know that feeling. But luckily, I'm not one of those, There's enough for all of us. On this one, which is Ngise duze, my first single, which dropped yesterday on the first, I've worked with the talented JT, the voice, an amazing vocalist, and my voice groove, It's a nice jam actually, Shout out to both the guys. I salute the talent and work ethics. It's been a blessing working with them. Yeah.
Okay, no, I do understand that you didn't take that route like, I'm grand of it. I'm perfect on my own.
There's enough for all of us, man. There's enough for all of us,
Okay, so tell me, is this just a single, or are you actually working on a full project?
Yeah, I'm actually working.
So it's a full project?
It's a full project, yeah.
Okay, have you named it, or you still thinking? Maybe
No, I have actually named it. It's gonna be draft. The draft.
The draft.
Yeah.
Okay, why that name? Like people wanna know why the draft.
Why the draft? You know, the first one was paper trials. You know, have you ever like played soccer or any sports? You know, you go through trials, gala. You know, then you have to be drafted. Then you get your debuts. You know, and everything. So it's like it's Leo series. You know, I went through paper trials. I've been like a beat producer at first. You know, now I was like, let me try it on paper. Let me write something and see the rapping thing. How does it go? You know, and now you know it's the draft actually.
No, I really do understand. So this is the next level. So which means this single Ngise duze is from that project.
Yeah, it's from this project actually. The one that I'm about to drop.
Okay, so tell me before we go further. So can you just break it down a little bit, like the project stuff? Can you break it down for us? What is it all about?
Is the project?
The project, or let's focus on the single now because the project's not done. Let's focus on the single. This single.
Yeah.
What is it really about? Like if we go into details, like if we go deep into it.
It's actually, I can say, it's a nice jam. You know, it's a nice jam. You know, Ngise duze. It means actually I'm closer. You know, to achieving lento sifuna. You know, when we was a studio, you know, with the guys, when the song actually came, you know, it was just us, you know, sitting up. And then we were speaking, saying, okay, you know, seeing from the last tape which we have managed to drop, and you know, it was a productive year. In 2019, you know, we have managed to do lento lena, and now we the work is gotta continue, you know. So we on to the next, you know. So what's the next move? The next move was, you know, we actually, you know, to actually accomplish something, you know, on your own, you know, because me, you know, being an unsigned, you know, artist, you know, someone who's indie, you know, getting your first project, you know, out there, you know, to the world and everything, you know, it was like, you know, a blessing for me. It was, you know, it was something great. So now the next one, it was like, you know, there's always more, you know. I don't know how I can put this thing, you know.
No, I think I do. I really get it. You know, the feeling, you know, when you finally get that puppy, that baby that you've been, you know, waiting to let people know about it, and then it finally reaches the people. Now I do get it.
Yeah, so me it was just now. This is the more now broad version. Yeah, Milena saying now, you know, I'm to say duze now. Actually, say duze, you know, it feels great with this one. I know, and we have learned from the last one. You know, as much as we have faced as music, we've managed to grow and overcame as music. So we had, like, with the team, came together and strategize on how we're gonna handle this one and everything, you know. So it had to be like great, you know. It's a gem. It's actually a gem, you know. Trust me, you wanna hear it, you know.
Now, I have listened to it, but I didn't want our fan to jump and listen to it, our listeners. So they're gonna listen to it when we're done. So how can, like, if people wanna get hold of you, like, you know, these days, you never know who want to book you. You never know who's looking for you. So how can they get hold of you?
Okay, at Super Beats, you can follow me on all social platforms, you know, at Super Beats, you know, on Instagram and Facebook at Super Beats, you know, also on Twitter it's Super Beats 7, you know. I'll also leave the details for the contact numbers for you to contact me. You know, you can try and reach actually me on the contacts I will leave actually on the show.
Yeah, you can give us if they're there now.
Okay, right now. Okay, 073 5100
yes
534.
Okay. Hi. The well, because they can even rewind. So so tell me, okay, before I can let you go or give you Yeah, like I can give you a free pass and you can go and before we play your track. Or you know what? Let me do this.
Okay.
I'm not gonna play the whole song, ne?
Okay, cool.
No, I'm gonna play the song when we're done. No, let me play when we're done. Let me do it this way. Can you hit me with a beat of like, even if it's 16 bars, 8 bars freestyle, and then you can say goodbye, and then I can play the song. Yeah, let's do it.
Yeah, man. Yeah. You know we do. It's what we do. This is what we do. Okay. Yeah. I'm Superman. Want some cake? Corner ball. Want some late? Paper chaser stuck on ground mode. Got a big fam. I got a crown full. I wish my grandma was here to see the chandeliers in the house. Full old age, I done cried tears, seeing there in the deathbed. I was raised in the shack, we had bed bugs and some roast there. I just for the paper, got locked up with the killers. I came back with legit. I built the label with my niggas. Let's cut all the hater, nigga. I put it all on the 6 flag. What's up? What's up? You know, face beautiful. What's up? We in this, you know. We do this. This is what we do, man.
Okay, thank you very much, Super Beats, for your time. And I hope
the
success of the single. We're still gonna keep on bumping it on Venrap Radio and all our platforms. Let's hope you should get more interviews all over, man. You should push this thing and reach next level than even we are on lockdown. Let's reach next level than last year, like the previous ones. Let's forget about the previous projects. We just wish you the best to do greater than what you did previously. Yeah, that's what I can say.
Give thanks, man. I'm very grateful. You know, it's always an honor to be on the show, man. To be around you, you know. It's always an honor. It's always great. You know? Yeah.
Thank you very much for your time. Let me go bump this track. You can go and listen to it also. But
yeah.
Okay, thank you very much for your time. Enjoy your day.
Yeah.
Okay, bye. And I promise you that I'm gonna give you super beats.
Of course I feel like I'm dreaming. Radio.
Super beats.
Duze. Oh, na. Minang duze. Feel ngathi ngiseduze. Yena akekho ozongivimba I'm on my way. Clever ngithi kumane tube. And phela ngizimisela ukuthi ngile. Try stand on my way. Ngizoluza all day. You know, I know, ngiseduze. I'm trying to find a way to live better, and there's only one way to live a good life. You just have to open up, sit down and let him drive. But all in good faith, I know you'll be surprised. He'll take you on a trip, show you a good life. He'll take you on a trip, give you a good life. He'll take you on a trip and then he'll let you drive. He'll take you on a trip.
I'm gonna try to be as real as I can. Said the screw speeding a verse like he was talking to me. At last cars in 08, man, I was stuck in a peak. We was down with fake, so we took a loss. Started hanging with niggas who was high on life. Whenever the blunt was leaked, we was high off twice. I know God is my everything to reach the top, and I'ma stay right here as long as my ex left.
And I can't go some vimba, I'm on my way. Never need to take money to it. And the feeling is me say look try stand on my way. He's a loser all day. You know, I know, say duze. My granny prays for me, 'cause haters wanna bring me down. So now I'm you make it impumbele.
It's a mover in silence, but my success will be the loudest. Now I've got friends in high places, fair rooftop for lunch meetings. I'm on that now, imagine that. It's a North Cliff sounding in voices. You better stick around, see me achieve things, and we won't stop until we own it.
Feel like things say duze, and I can't go some vimba, I'm on my way. Never need to take money to it, and the feeling is me say look try stand on my way. He's a loser all day. You know, I know, say duze.
I know, you know, say duze. When things get hard, ain't no way out. I back myself up, put it together. I told my niggas screw free on bar. Fake that was tugging on my downfall. In Bumbele, in Toya.
That was super beats, eh? Ngise duze. Was already. I don't know zwimwe chipinga chiba chikortendera vari kupusha zone kuita zone ndichikora zore hai majitane pautani na bahone na magomba komba na makulu na bakala na minu zote ngati vanofara zvavudi ngamugivera urali zvinorangata zone apo noni nana musi ndikosedza apo noni samusi vakuzvona ari kudhivaravara zvitu yeah, let's set time so I'll be ready so it's in line. Okay, yeah, this boy, this kid, Rude Kid Venda. Yeah, Rude Kid Venda is the kid and Abori. He's been trending. Freestyle in a minizote. So we're expecting him today. So let me just say to him, Uri, yeah. Ari tuzanyori nga 3 o'clock ri vari naye so nene to nyamara for chipinga nyana ndiko vasena le track apo nonilo no pfi le budi vone vaswara dara muzika yeah so aona zwimwe ne I'm hitting the road. I'll be back ndichibuya apo ndikubuya on the second stream ndikubuya na msuhana noyo no pfi Rude Kid Venda kana kuta zvakudinga mando kita kazi freestyle basi mwango subscribe kazi YouTube zashu basi subscribe nepala ka Doc Live bajena nepala ka YouTube kana basi kosechori Venda Ven Rap Late Night Show basi subscribe baba nepo bajena ka Venda Music and Entertainment bari bachijiganga apa humwe bachibuya bari wana ka Facebook bari wana ka Twitter bari wana ka Instagram basi kosecha nema wa mahungoni bachintoda bangwana 0826937124 menga dzina zinda amani divan dukan suhana ni mwana ndo mahungoni so abari batamele trekel noni bari mwana waso wale butilaso
nonobona kai mwana waso nonobona kai mwana waso nonobona kai mwana waso wale butilaso so mashaka tai tanga body loga in don't puka 3 rooms don't move isa azitini something I'm better fuka what to better sex all night sako itazwa uneta nika round 3 ukatama na useta uri highway ene baby na respect ichimo tapa domo gaya na yo ghetto asongo tata singa do iteso nonobona kai mwana waso nonobona kai mwana waso nonobona kai mwana waso